young scientists. I'm Dr. Khan, and today we're going to unravel the mystery of the microwave. Our story begins in the 1940s with a brilliant scientist named Percy Spencer. One day, while working with radar machines, he discovered that the microwaves from the radar melted a candy bar in his pocket by accident. A little strange, a little unexpected, but Percy didn't let this opportunity melt away. Intrigued, he thought, if microwaves can melt candy, maybe they can cook food. This moment of sweet serendipity sparked a brilliant idea, and that's how the microwave oven came to be. Percy Spencer began experimenting anew, attempting radar with food, and voila! The food heated up. His accidental discovery led to the creation of the first microwave oven, a bulky and enormous machine, nothing like the sleek appliances we have today. And just like that, the microwave oven was born. Let me show you how it works. Inside this kitchen wonder is a device called a magnetron. When you press start, electricity is converted into microwaves by the magnetron. These microwaves then travel through the waveguide into the cooking chamber where they cook the food. These microwaves aren't your beach waves, but invisible energy waves that zip through the air. They bounce around inside the microwave, causing the water molecules in your food to vibrate like tiny heated dancers. This dance party generates heat, cooking your food quickly. To ensure the microwave operates safely, the fan assists in cooling the internal components. But remember, no metal in the microwave. Metal reflects these microwaves, causing sparks and even fires. Thanks to a melted candy bar and Percy Spencer's ingenuity, we can all enjoy quick and easy meals. You've just come back from school or work and you're famished. Enter the microwave, pop in your leftovers, wait a few minutes, and voila! Your meal is piping hot and ready to eat. Since its invention in the 40s, the microwave has been a lifesaver, revolutionizing how we cook and eat. The magic of microwaves, making life a bit easier since the 1940s. Keep asking questions and exploring the world around you. Until next time, stay curious.